There's a lot to learn when you start carving. Lots of different tools, different woods, different things to carve. But I'm going to give you a way into carving in this beginner's course. We're going to look at just a few tools. We're going to look at a simple piece of wood, and we're going to give you a fairly easy way to hold it. So let's have a look at the tools first. These are the three tools you need to get. The first one is a V tool, which is 60 degrees, and between corners is 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters. Then there are two gouges. This one is a number 6 gouge, which is a sort of middle sweep, a middle curve. It's 1/2 an inch or 14 millimeters from corner to corner. And then at the same width, 1/2 an inch, 14 millimeters, corner to corner, this is a very flat gouge, what's called a number 3. There are a few more things you'll need. The first one is something like this skew chisel, which is a chisel with a pronounced corner. If you don't have a skew chisel or don't want to buy one, then a knife like this, any sort of pointed knife will do. Additionally, this is a carver's brush. It's effectively a scrub brush that's washable, and you use this for brushing away shavings, generally keeping the carving clean. And finally, a mallet. This is really useful when the wood is hard. This is about 20 ounces, 550 grams. A carver's mallet is round like this, but you could use a square carpenter's mallet or even a hammer for the moment. I've added notes about these tools in the download. Now, most manufacturers these days supply tools what they call ready sharpened, factory sharpened. And this is what I want you to get. I want you to get the tools ready to go. It's not how I would sharpen the tools, and I will be talking about this and showing you later. But for now, you need the tools ready sharpened, ready to go.